Hi, my name's Jameela and I am currently the Junior Apprenticeship Manager at Cardiff and Vale College. I have been doing this role for around 6 months and previously I was a welfare officer. I've always wanted to work with young people from a young age. I came up through the Cardiff Youth Service, so it's been a passion of mine to work with those who find it difficult in school, education, or just finding life difficult at that point in their life. And they come to us and we try to inspire them into finding a different way of learning. There's always somebody there to approach and to look for support, advice and guidance, especially for new managers. I've come in as a new manager, I've never been in a position like this before. However, I've been given a mentor, I've been given somebody that I can speak to on a daily basis if needed to, if I'm not sure of anything.